In this video, we'll talk about the process of communication. How does the process occur in a communication, as long as with the fabulous communication while we talk in English with the person there. So in this video, we'll discuss about that how many process may be there that can be used in the entire communication. According to the analyzed activity of communication, we must know the process and the elements of involved in the process of communication. There are 7 elements, guys. There are 7 elements or a factor which make up the process of communication. Number one, source. Guys, source or a sender is the one who initiates the action of communication. Number 2, audience, guys. Audience or a receiver is the persons for whom the communication is intended. And number 3, goal or a purpose is the sender's reason for communicating the desired result of the communication. And number 4, message or content is the information conveyed. And number 5, medium, guys. Medium or a channel is the means or a method for conveying the message. And number 6, feedback is the receiver's response to the communications as observed by the sender. And number 7, and that is last, and that is environment, right? Environment or a context is the background in which the communication takes place.